Hey, how's it going everybody? Welcome to another one. So, this week, very last drop for the Supreme Spring Summer Collection 2020. I'm gonna be going after those Vans, the high tops in blue. They look really cool. The other colorways are pretty dope, but you gotta pick one thing with Supreme. You don't wanna be trying to get everything unless you're just gonna try and cop in the resale market, which then, you know, have had it, no problem. I have some low top slip-on Vans, not really a fan of them. I had a pair when I was younger. Those ones I beat like crazy. Had some other off-brand sort of Van slip-ons, you know, the knockoffs from Palace or whatever. Used to duct tape them all up and everything. But yeah, so the high tops are really cool. They also have some tank tops, some swimwear stuff, a little bit of fun stuff for everybody. And then also Palace is dropping on the 10th, this Friday. It's gonna be super hyped because they're dropping some tri-ferg tees with the snake, and that is a really cool tri-ferg, so I'm definitely gonna be trying to grab that up. So cool. And then there's also some rumors going around about different shoes dropping here and there, but you never really know with the market and everything, because a lot of stuff is made in China, and right now our agreement with China here in the United States is not doing so well, so a lot of things are getting delayed. And hey, do you guys see this little, I ran into a tree today delivering mail. Pretty exciting, but yeah, I thought it was gonna bleed and go all over my face and everything. I didn't have a band-aid, I had like a few napkins, but it didn't. It just hurt like crazy. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and get into the items that we have for this week. We actually have quite a few different things. The first thing I want to try out here is our Infinite Archive shirt. This one is pretty cool. I just really wanted to support the movement of making sure people are treated fairly in the United States. We're really good at doing things and getting things done and making things happen, and by golly, we're gonna figure this whole race thing out. We're gonna figure out how to treat people equally. It's gonna take us a long time, but you know, we're one of the few countries, I don't know how many countries had a civil war over slavery or over race, but a lot of other countries have not done that in their past. They just kind of followed some of the American trends or whatnot. I mean, Europe was ahead of us a little bit, but yeah, even in like the countries that are existing now that have slave trade, you know, a lot of those people are very excited to be able to come over to the United States, because there's still this dream where you can sort of live your life, and as long as you follow the laws, then you should be good to go. So we want to make that even more true for every single person out there. Anyways, this Infinite Archive shirt, reminding us here of 1991. We have our sticker tag on there, a bunch of warning information on the back, nothing else in the bag besides this sticker receipt from UPS. And so let's pull this out here on the back of the neck, little tiny tag there, you know. And I'll go ahead and open this one up. There we go. Special edition 4. In Racism 1991, Love Enough, Peace Enough, Good Enough. This is actually the year I was born, 1991, so that also drew me to the shirt, and just to remember what happened. And we got our 2020 on this sleeve, and just all white on the other sleeve. And then obviously you got your Infinite Archives, Equality for All graphic right on there. And then on the inside of this shirt, there is not going to be a tag because it is a tube upper, so that'll be nice for comfort, a nice comfy tee. I thought I had gotten a medium, but I guess this one is a large. And when they cut the tag off, they cut a little bit too close on the back here. I guess I just showed you guys the tag, but I don't know if you noticed, but they cut that a little bit too tight. We have a little bit of a defect on this one, but that's not too bad. Not that big of a deal. So I'll go ahead, I'll throw this shirt on and we'll get into the next item. And alright, yeah, this shirt feels warm already. It must have been sitting out in the sun. I don't know. I'm just pairing this with some John Elliott LeBrons. These are some really dope LeBron sneakers. They kind of squeak when you step, but they look great and they match with some different fits. So definitely with this one, with the white and the black, easily matches. I don't know about with these shorts with that red and then this blue. I think it's okay because it's subtle enough. It works well for me, but you guys can always have your opinion. So we're gonna get into the next item here. Let me see. Man, it's been a long weekend, so I've just been trying to chill. I don't need to be standing a bunch. I should just sit down for this. Let's do the Eric Emanuel shorts because they might go well with that Palace shirt. Eric Emanuel is really hard to grab on the website. You gotta be quick. You gotta know what you're doing. A lot of people say it's super easy for them, but I just think that they have good internet. So first off in the bag, we do have a receipt, a sticker receipt And then we have our shorts in this plastic, which I am familiar with. I have seen this plastic already from another pair of shorts from Emanuel that I was able to snag on the resale market. Those burgundy double layer shorts. This burgundy is quite a bit darker though, but that's all right. Let's go ahead and I'll show you this bag a little close up. Got your sticker label, a nice plastic. Almost feels like a high quality plastic, I guess, or higher quality. I'm trying to think of something that uses this plastic, but the only thing I can think of is a bed set that you would buy at Bed Bath & Beyond. It would come in this style of plastic. Anyways, I'll go ahead, unzip this. A nice zip system there. And here's the shorts. There they are. They are pretty short, but that's kind of the style right now. And they are fairly transparent because you do have that breathability with the mesh. Here is the label on the back. I don't know if he does different labels for each shorts, but this is different from the last pair that I got. You can see that label. It's just connected on the sides. And then you do have your 2 pockets on each side. Some decent room actually in the pocket. My full hand can fit in there. You guys know me, I got some XL hands. There is no pocket on the back. Anybody wanting a wallet pocket or something, you're gonna have to figure that out on your own. But anyways, yeah, hey, these might actually match this shirt a little bit. I don't know. You guys tell me. Let's go ahead. I'm gonna throw these on. All right. Oh yeah, these are definitely more airy. They feel amazing actually. They're probably the best summer shorts you could ever get. They are really short, so anybody who's worried about them not being long enough, you're gonna wanna size up a bunch and just tie the drawstring really tight. I don't know, but I am cool with wearing shorts the way that the designer set them out for. So right now the style is a little bit shorter for guys, you know, a few inches above the knee, not too far, you know, you don't want to get going crazy. I mean, honestly, everybody's got their thing, so I shouldn't talk, but these ones are really nice. I do like that orange hint on the burgundy. With this red, it almost makes this red look more orange because this orange is pretty deep. It's almost a red. But yeah, so let's go ahead, get into the Palace shirt here. This Palace shirt was pretty hyped. And I did grab this one in medium. I do need some medium shirts for summer. I keep grabbing large because that's just what I've been grabbing forever. In this Palace order, they did give me a return form. They don't always do that. I'm glad they did that this time for some reason. I don't know, it doesn't matter. Normally they give you a sticker as well. I have a receipt, a sticker receipt. That's not what I'm looking for. I was hoping for like a Triford. Oh, there it is. Nice. They did give me a Triford sticker, a black one. So now I've got 2 black ones, 2 white ones. I actually have quite a few more stickers, but they're in a box in another room. So anyways, here's the plastic. You do have a white Triford on the front. You've got your sticker label right down here with your information on there. And on the back, you got some warning information. Don't be giving your kids these plastic bags. That's just terrible. They're gonna put it over top their head and they won't be able to breathe. It's just not good. Oh, whoops. They do have a moisture reducer inside of that bag. A couple of them. No, just one. And then they folded up a piece of tissue paper on the back of it just because they wanted to keep that graphic nice. And here we go. There it is. Got our Palace and JCC Plus. I don't know if I'm saying that right. You guys can always help me out. Does this go better with these shorts or this Infinite Archive? I mean, I got a few colors on the back of this one too. Well, I guess just red and yellow. The graphics are almost the same too. We got a peace sign on both of them that are yellow. Wow, okay. Didn't even realize that till just now. Is there a red heart on there too? Wow, there's a red heart on both of these shirts as well. Oh my goodness, this is weird. I didn't even realize that beforehand. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and throw this on. We'll quit having these awkward moments here. And there we go, man. This shirt is perfect for summer. Just fits amazing with these shorts. I mean, the length, couldn't ask for better. Definitely good to go with the medium with Palace if, you know, you want that summer look. I am 6'1", about 150 pounds, so that's how we're looking for the medium shirt. And then I actually also threw on my LeBron MVPs, my LeBron 7s. Here's the box. I opened it up from the Nike box, which is actually this box that's super massive. This just came in the biggest Nike box ever. Very, very heavy. Nike doesn't do any paper receipts. They don't do those anymore to save the planet, you know, less paper and whatnot. But on this box, we do have a great history of LeBron going back to college, him as a young kid there. Yeah, just a bunch of cool pictures. And if you get this pair, you can kind of go over them and look them all over. Or you can just check it out on this video. You got them all on here. And so I loved watching LeBron's journey, or I continue to enjoy watching the journey that LeBron is on his whole life. Very exciting. And so these shoes were to commemorate the 2008 through the 2010 season where he was crowned MVP. So I'm gonna go ahead and kind of go over these a little bit for you. I already threw them on. They fit great, true to size. I'm a 10.5. So on the back right away, there you go. History, witness history. Oh wait, gotta go this way. Witness history. You got LeBron James. You do have some glue around here in a few places, and like the stitching could have been a little bit better up here on the toe box. But it's not bad. You've got your 23 on the toes as well. Very nice. This is actually metal, but it's probably not this color all the way through. And then this, oh man, that swoosh. I just wanted to get these shoes so I could feel this swoosh. That's the only reason why I got them, actually. No, I'm joking, but you do have that sparkle, that gold in with that gum bottom. This little Nike emblem or LeBron emblem changes depending on the lighting, so that's also a cool little fact. You have these little sections up here on the tongue. They're underneath, but yeah, you got your sections there. The actual inside of the shoe is really fancy as well. You've got this label in here. Look at that. That is just amazing. All this extra padding, and you've got your tag on the inside of the shoe right in there. See if I can get a shot, maybe. Not a great shot. It's kind of hard to get to, but it is in there. And the nice thing about these is that this white suede should stay fairly nice. I already see a little bit of a marking from the leather on there, but that's because every leather is going to be different, or every piece is going to be different. Also with the laces, says LeBron James on there. Just they did everything. They got his signature up here as well as on this box. I guess this is his signature that he's been doing with his number on there and everything. Let me know your thoughts are on these shoes, what you think about them. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead, throw them back on. Alright, so now we're gonna get into the controversial part of my channel. I love diving into books and learning about history, learning about things in the past, finding out stories that people were told was true and then find out later it's not true. I'm really into this investigative discovery of learning right now. A lot of people are really into that. It's a really good thing to be on track with and to just be listening to all the different voices out there, because if you really just hone in on just listening to one person, you have no clue what you could be missing, or if that person is even being honest with you and has good intentions, because people can say a million things to try and sway you one way or the other, but we really just got to listen to all of it and collectively kind of bring ourselves to a position where we're seeing people treated correctly and humanely across the board. And that's what Jesus came to do. That's what he wanted to show us. It wasn't about him paying the price for sin or something like that. People have always messed up and always sinned. Jesus just wanted to show us that there's another way, that we can be loving towards people. And I mean, that really messed up the people at his time, and they couldn't handle it. So they did end up killing him. And I believe that Jesus was raised from the dead, showing that he was more than just a human. And there's something deeper in him that is from the creator of this whole everything. And he was just trying to lead us in this new pathway where we care about our neighbors. We ask our friends, hey, you want to go out for dinner? Like, you want to chill? We go out and we be loving to people. We care about people. If somebody owes us money, we're not like going and trashing their house or banging on their window and breaking stuff. No, we're being kind and gentle about it, you know, and you really shouldn't be lending money if you can't afford it. You should, you know, that's just common sense. But just learning to take little steps to bring yourself into a position where you can be more loving and more accepting of people of all walks of life. That's what we want to do. That's what we want to create. And that's what I want to do with this channel. So definitely hit me up with any questions you have. If you want to talk about different Bible passages, hit me up in the comments of this channel. You can definitely subscribe and sign up for the raffle that I'm having. I'm gonna be giving away a bunch of Supreme stickers. So just DM me your address for the winning item where you want it to be sent, and that will enter you into that drawing. So love y'all, and I'll see ya in the next one.